guys, it's me, TinyJason1988, showing you another video. This time is different. This is a how to make video on how to make. I'm using it as Lego right now, but it's actually a trap. And as I show you, catch. I know if it would be a cage with sides covered up and it will trap the animal. Usually some people like to put a rock here, shoot right here, and then wait for it down and go on top. It's up to you which I use. I did try and use this, but I kind of like carved it out of this box. All these things. So I'm going to show you how to make it. First off, get a stick. As you know, I'm using a Lego piece, and another one to go on top, so to go like this. I know the Lego pieces, this is survival basically. Then you want to put basically the steps. Anyway, go for it again. On top. I might do an update on this one actually. Put it in the wild. So right now, as I can't really get the view of it right now. Just kidding. So you're saying you put some bait on this yellow one right here. And basically when whenever it takes it and fall down, they're going to drop. So that's it for now. We'll see you guys later. Please rate, sub and subscribe. We haven't got much subs, so yeah. See you later.